Okay, today is June 27th and we are amending the 5,000 square foot garden plot back here. We've got a quarter of it done last Sunday and now we're doing another quarter today because it takes quite a bit of time. There's quite a bit of amendments we need. Show you some of the things that we're doing. Like right here, I've already got this mixed up, but this has some zinc sulfate in it because we need to add zinc. There's quite a few other things we need to add: manganese, potassium, magnesium, almost just about everything. There's numerous things that we have to add to amend the soil to bring the levels up. And so I mix it with water and then I spray it on. And I'll be doing that with a few things. Some stuff I'll be putting on with powder, and we'll show some of that. And when it's all applied, then I'll till it all in. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started on that, and we'll get this day going.
Now I'm going to measure 12 ounces of copper to put in one of those spray containers. And when he gets done with the zinc on the other one, I will measure it out again for the second one. It's really pretty. Alright, got my 12 ounces of copper. Pumping the water up from the pond. We'll do the same for the next one. Alright, so now we have cobalt sulfate. It's really pretty. I'm going to do a pound of it. If you haven't seen this stuff, here it is. It's like a bag of crystals. It's pretty cool. But it's important that you don't get it on your skin, so you gotta wear gloves. Alright, we got 16 ounces. Just go and add it to water in the jug again. I'm gonna do 5 ounces of sodium molybdate dihydrate. 5 ounces. So add this to one of the pop bottles.
Borax.
So 20 ounces of borax is what we're going for here. We've heated up a pot of water to put in the sprayer so that the borax can dissolve, and it needs to be applied while it's warm, so we're prioritizing that one so that it doesn't get cool and separate out, and it's just going to be easier to go through the sprayer.
This is right?
Just gotta make sure that the 20-ounce measurement is correct.
I won't need that, Jen.
Oh, that's fine. I'm fine.
I left a little bit of water in that.
Rinse the cups or what?
Use pond rinse cup.
Oh,
Rinse this lids.
I gotcha.
Stuff dissolves easily when it's nice and hot.
That's good. It shouldn't clog up the sprayer then. All these things we've mixed up are being sprayed on this quarter of the garden. And then we'll apply all of the powder, non-water soluble substances. And then after that, we'll get it all tilled in. And hopefully we won't have to till again. Just making sure that the soil has what it needs. He's been putting the dry powders on. Corey, what are you putting on now?
Paramagnetic rock dust. Paramagnetic rock dust.
Paramagnetic rock dust. And what other things did you put down first for the powder?
Potassium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, manganese sulfate.
So once he's got this paramagnetic rock dust distributed on the rest of this section here to cover all of that powder, he will be tilling it in, and that will complete this quarter for amendments. We got out here at about 7 in the morning, and it is 11:40. So it's taken a good half a day to get this far. The weather's cooperated with us. Fortunately, it's dry. The soil is dry enough to till. We were afraid that the storms would have drenched the soil too much to make it too clumpy to till, but fortunately, and oddly enough, the soil under the surface is still quite powdery, so that works out to our advantage. it's about 1:30. The plot is fully amended in that quarter. It's wonderful. The weather has cooperated. We've gotten done quicker than we did the first time. And it is now time to till this quarter. So, this is great. Here comes the tiller.